Are you ready to finish this piece today? I've stitched everything on here but the last part, and I wanted to share that with you. And that's finishing off this petal right here. As you can see, I have finished off the stitching on the leaves here, and that completed all the leaf activity on this piece. And I did stitching over here and here. I put pistol stitches inside and the coordinating colors of the blue and green. Then did the outline stitching just like I did on this piece up here. And now I'm going to finish this one right here. And this I'm leaving loose, this right here, and this I'm leaving loose also. I'm thinking this would be beautiful if I framed it under glass, and I believe that's what I will try to do with it. And we'll just see, or I may put it in my Etsy shop and sell it as frameable art. I don't know which yet. I really like it myself, but I really need to put stuff in my Etsy shop. So anyway, I don't know if I told you or not, but it's a 9 by 12. So let's see here. On this piece here, we are doing just the overcast stitch to start with right here on these straight edges. I want to tuck that under there, which will secure it somewhat, still leave the outer edge loose. Gives a little dimensional feel. Even if I put it under glass, it'll kind of ruffle and you won't see stitching on that edge, so it'll still be pretty. I hope you've enjoyed this. As you can see, when I create things, I just do it intuitively in the moment. I don't sketch it, draw it, plan it, any of those things. Every once in a while I might do a project like that, but most of the time, 95% of the time, it's just I grab something I like, usually starting with a motif or a fabric, and then I start adding elements, and then I decide what I'm going to make. And I do like floral, so I do end up making lots of floral pieces. They always lend themselves to whatever I want to use them in later. And so as you can see, I'm doing a simple back stitch underneath the satin stitch that was already on this piece, and that secures it and also accents that edge so that the scallops show up better. Like that. Isn't that pretty? I love that. Don't forget that early Wednesday morning, kicking off the collaboration video, the 12-week collaboration I'll be doing with Marsha over at Markets of Sunshine. And I will be tagging her in each of those so that it's easy for you to just click on that, and after you've watched my video, you can go watch hers. We'll be talking about the basic same things, but our projects will be different, and our styles are entirely different. So I think you'll enjoy that ongoing series that will take us through the rest of the year. And then, as I said, I will be talking about the 2026 project that I will be setting up soon, and giving you information on that so you can get prepared and work along with me. This is a fun one. It's one that I haven't done before, and I'm looking forward to it. It will be a year-long project, and it's going to showcase all our talents in every area, and going to be very practical at the same time. So be looking forward to that, okay? All right, we've finished stitching this down. Now, but as you can see, on my other overcast stitches, I have a thread run through there. So how do I do that? I take my needle and I turn it around to the blunt end, to the where you thread it, and I run that underneath my stitches, my overcast stitches here. All right, and that will, okay, Linda, what'd you do here? Oh, I forgot to take it through to the other side. All right, let me undo my mess here, and let's try that again. Thread my needle. I got ahead of myself there. All right, we're on the back side. We got to come to the front side before we can do that. Now we can turn our needle around, thread it under these overcast stitches, bring it through. That gives us that little thread, and we will take it to the other side, and do the same thing. That just kind of helps to outline, shadow or outline an edge when you want it to be more prominent. And in this case, I want the shape of these to be more prominent, so I'm going to outline this edge like this way. Okay, you see how that works? Very easily done, but gets the job done at the same time. And I love pistol stitches, and if I'm going to do some embroidery, that's pistol stitches, and French knots are my favorite little embroidery stitches. I use them a lot in different projects. All right, that one is done. Okay, this is a done deal. This is finished. As far as I'm concerned, it's finished. All right, can you see? We've played with color, we played with shapes, we played with just cutting motifs out of other fabric pieces, utilizing scraps, what we have, a couple of embroidery stitches, some yarn, and just played with it, okay, until we got a piece that we liked. I like it, and I hope that you like it too, and that it was inspiring for you. And if you like these fiber art pieces where I take you through the whole process, let me know in the comments, and I certainly will schedule more of these through the next few months, and give you more ideas of how you can just start from nothing, you might say, and create something beautiful. Okay, till next time, you know the drill. Stay scrap happy.